Okay, it's your birthday. And let me tell you, it's a fantastic one. People are saying it's huge, absolutely huge. You should celebrate big because nobody celebrates better than you. Eat the cake, blow out the candles. Don't forget to make a tremendous wish. Happy birthday. You're doing an incredible job just being you.
Happy birthday to me.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got.
Happy birthday sa ambungan na ako na kaduhang amahan. Kung unsa akong naabot karon sa imong gihatag sa ako nga disiplina ug uban pa. Kabalo ko nga dili mabayaran ang imong gihatag sa kuha na lifetime. Salamat ug
Happy birthday!
Happy 78th birthday sa Otis. Unta i-bless ka sa Ginoo each day o dungag nga kabaskog sa lawa sa kanunay uban sa imong family. Once again, happy birthday. Unta mag-enjoy ka karon sa imong adlaw nga natawhan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya! So grateful to have you in the family. May God grant you more blessings and happiness in everything you do this year. Hope your day is as great as you are. See ya!
Go.
Happy birthday, Tito Ortiz. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sir Ortiz!
Sir, happy birthday. Atagan unta ka sa Ginoo ngayong panglawas uban sa imong anak ug pamilya. O happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Good health and more birthdays to come. Have a happy family.
Mm-hmm.
We love you. I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I love you.
Bye.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
I would like to greet you a very happy birthday. Enjoy this day with your family and loved ones, and may you live for 1,000 years. Happy birthday.